Welcome to this video on the Supreme Court case, Commissioner of Internal Revenue versus the estate of Charles Marvin Romig. This landmark ruling addresses the taxability of foreign currency deposit units under RA 6426 versus the National Internal Revenue Code, as well as the mandatory 2-year period for filing tax refund claims. This case involves the Commissioner of Internal Revenue and the estate of Charles Marvin Romig. The ruling, promulgated on October 9, 2024 by the First Division, clarifies that foreign currency deposits are 100% exempt from estate tax, and that judicial claims filed on the same day as administrative claims satisfy legal requirements. Charles Marvin Romig, an American citizen residing in the Philippines, passed away intestate in 2011. His heir, Maricel Narciso Romig, sought to claim his estate, which included a US dollar savings deposit held under a foreign currency deposit unit at HSBC. The timeline of this case began in May 2012 with an initial tax return. In June 2015, an amended return was filed under protest. Finally, in June 2017, the estate filed an administrative claim for refund in the morning, followed by a judicial petition at the Court of Tax Appeals that same afternoon. The court considered two main issues. First, whether the estate complied with the mandatory 2-year prescriptive period for tax refunds, and second, whether a foreign currency deposit held by a resident decedent is subject to Philippine estate tax, despite the provisions of RA 6426. Regarding the procedural issue, the Supreme Court ruled that the claims were filed on time. The court held that a taxpayer is not required to wait indefinitely for a BIR decision if doing so would result in the 2-year prescriptive period for judicial action expiring. The court established that while the law requires an administrative claim to be filed before a judicial one, filing both on the same day satisfies this requirement. This approach prevents the forfeiture of a taxpayer's right to judicial action due to the strict 2-year window. A conflict arose between the NIRC and RA 6426. While the Commissioner argued that the NIRC governs gross estate properties, the Supreme Court determined that RA 6426 serves as a special law that explicitly grants absolute tax exemption for foreign currency deposits. The ruling emphasizes the protection of foreign reserves. Section 6 of RA 6426 guarantees that these deposits are exempt from all forms of tax to encourage foreign currency deposits and strengthen the Philippine banking sector. The court applied 3 principles. First, special laws prevail over general laws. Second, implied repeals are disfavored, meaning the NIRC did not modify the RA 6426 exemptions. And third, the clear legislative intent is to ensure international trust in Philippine banking. As a key takeaway, this case resulted in a total refund of over 4.5 million pesos. For estate tax practice, it is vital to verify if accounts are held under an FCDU and to manage the 2-year deadline for refunds, filing judicially if necessary to protect rights. Thank you for watching this video on the case of Commissioner of Internal Revenue versus the estate of Charles Marvin Romig. This video utilized various image sources to illustrate the legal concepts and timeline discussed. Please refer to the on-screen links for more information regarding these resources.